What is up, everyone? How's it going? We got 6 people in here. Where's everyone at? We'll wait, see if we can get more people in here. See, make sure the music's not too loud. Let's see. Alright, I think we're good to go. What's up, Silver? What's up, GE? SEI. Alright, we'll do SEI. Let me pull that up on the screen. SEI still holding up real good here. Bottom's in. Time to go up, boys and girls. Time to go to the moon. We're tired of waiting around. I know I'm tired of waiting around. Man. Degen's still going down. Yeah, SCI doesn't look bad here. It's holding the trend. It's holding over the 3-2. We should get a bounce here, or it's going to die like Myro. I mean, if you ever seen a bottom formation, this is it, ain't it? You're at the trend. You're at the 3-8-2 to be bullish. Time to move up and make a higher high. So, potential next stop up for this thing if it holds. Could be about an 88% move, 786 and higher. Maybe it'll do the same thing here to where it gets up, makes a little dome shape, and then it comes back down once again, and we'll be bearish for another month. Like that. What's up, Anwar? Can you please analysis for turbo? I'm thinking to get more, but don't know if it will dip more. It already dipped. Is it dipping now? I haven't looked at it. What's up, Saul? How you doing, my man? What's up, Rainy Day? Yeah, it is a boring time in crypto. I'm not doing anything. A lot of things like we're looking at now. SCI looks like it's bottoming. But SCI, if it holds here, then it should move up. Then SCI to the moon. I think these lower targets are definitely going to get hit. 330, 8x, 14 billion market cap. But yeah, I mean, SCI looks like it's on the bottom here. What's up, Shadow? What's up, Jabby? It didn't go. We never hit it. We never hit the name reveal. We never will. We're too bearish. Okay, let me get in. Let me see here. But yeah, I agree, Rainy. It's just boring. Need to look at these virtual coins, make some money back. Are any of those virtual coins on crypto.com? That's my question. If there is, maybe I'll just sell my degen and put it in one of those. Or what's the best play on crypto.com where I can throw my little bit of money at? Sub D crypto. I just need to. I need something to. I just need my one coin I'm in. Even if I switch it, I just need something to pump. I gotta start the process. The rotation process. Turbo. Yeah, Turbo's dumping right now. So we'll look at two different things on Turbo, but it's probably going to end up coming back down. I say that, but then we're sitting right on the 236. We're sitting right on support at 99. 99 down to 008. So it could still technically right now, because the market's the way the market is, drop but another 15%. Back down to the 1272 at 87, and even wick a little bit down. But as long as it's holding the structure here, it's starting to make higher highs and higher lows. It's starting to curl up once again, kind of like it did back here. But yeah, it could still drop a little bit. Stock market have more of a run than crypto did. Bottom for Caspa. What is Caspa doing? I haven't looked at Caspa in a couple days, I don't think. Oh no, Caspa's dying. Let's see here. Caspa is down below the 236. She is melting away at the moment. Alright, if we go most recent low high, 3-day candles here. Daily candle, yeah. 11.5 is your price to hold here. That's that final support level. It's been holding, it's been wicking below, so it's trying to hold the higher low here. So I would say if this is not it, I mean, there's no way to tell. The momentum is clearly down. You see that on the stock RSI on the 3-day, the daily, it's back down. Doesn't look good at all right here. So as long as you're below that 786, it puts in play the macro 236. This is what it did last time. It came down here to this final 10 support, 10.5, another 7% drop, and then it wicked down below. And stopped out the positions and then went up. But this is where it's pretty much been holding since April, and then November, and now December. So it could easily come down there. I would say 10.5 down to 10, as long as you're below 11.5. Shadow says, oh yeah, we already read that. What's up, Flip Coins? Everyone calling for 85k BTC probably means it won't happen. Yeah, probably not. That seems too low. What's up, Guy? What's up, Nick? What's up, Hamid? How you guys doing? What's up, Boxy? I mean, just simply going by the chart we have on Bitcoin, just simple TA on it. I mean, roll the simplest, fib TA. 90k is possible. If you want to get way more technical with it, let's see. Yeah, about 90k. The all on base, but Degen is a base coin also. Okay, yeah. But Degen's also on crypto.com. Beam. Yeah, I'm thinking about making a list, even though I don't have money yet, but a list of coins that I think are going to do extremely well this cycle. A lot of meme coins. Or a list for everything. A list for meme coins. All these meme coins, they're listed on crypto.com. I mean, crypto.com and Coinbase and Robinhood. I think Robinhood's about to list Turbo. I mean, it's going to give the opportunity for all these people to be able to buy these coins on these big exchanges. So I think they're going to do well. Beam, Beam is pretty much, it's over the 618, holding the trend here depending on where you want to draw this thing at. It's holding up well. You're over the 618. So just keep it simple. Over the 382, price to beat right now, you're getting stuck right at it as at 3. The 236, so 3 up to 32. If you get over those levels, then you're in real good shape. But it's higher highs, higher lows. It's just curling up here. This is another one like SEI. It's holding the trend. It's curling up. I mean, it just looks like everything just looks like it's ready to have a nice spike to the upside, if not have huge spikes. Beam to the 2272 at 30 cents, 15 billion market cap. Does that seem right for a 10x? But the chart looks good. Hopefully you had a good Christmas too, Boxy. Can we have alt season already? I know, right? P&G's holding up. The problem with mine is holding DGen on crypto.com is I need it to at least pump over 100. That way I can pull it out and put it over on what is it called? Coinbase. At least I have more choices on Coinbase, and Coinbase doesn't have a limit. You can pull $5 out of Coinbase if you want, $2. Crypto.com, you have to have 100 or more. You can't do anything. It's stuck in there. Yeah, P&G is looking good here. Still holding over 30, holding over our support. Pretty much doing nothing. Over the 382. So as long as you're pretty much over 30 to 31, there's nothing to worry about. Then 37 up to our red box here. Once we get over the red box, then she's going to take off. What's up, Eric? I have 1 million DGen. Jeez. If I had 1 million DGen right now and that's all I had, next pump I'm out. This DGen's under a penny now. We're dying here. Unless this turns into a wick. That's what I'm hoping. Just like it did back here. If we get 2 good wicks here, then we might go up from there, but it's just continually dying here. But if I had that much DGen, I would probably I would take profit at all these levels here. Get a 16.5x new high, 1272 at 16. I would take most of my profit out there. And then hold a percentage up to the next level. But I really do think DGen is going to hit this 9-10 billion market cap 50 cent range. But if I could make decent profit and just let a moonbag ride, I would let it ride. But that's me. I'm definitely not going to hold anything to a moonbag or to some ridiculous price. DGen, XRP, and Velodrome. I will look at XRP. I updated Velodrome today on the channel. Velo and Velodrome. Oh, what did I do? DGen. XRP's in the same boat, not doing anything, holding up in a bull flag pattern. I mean, it's just yet another bullish pattern that tells us we're about to start going back up. We say that 3-day candles, weekly candles, whatever we're looking at, we could technically chop around in here, for another week or two if we wanted to. at least a week. But holding the 236 bull flag pattern, XRP 191, it just looks like it's ready to start going back up. As long as you're over that 236, you're in this pattern. Well to the moon, says Constantino. Just by Doge Unchained, it is going to be listed at 31st. On what? Crypto.com? You think Beam will hit a 60 billion market cap? Okay. Beam, what did we say on Beam? Oh, 60 billion? Wow. Where does that take it? $5. I don't know what market cap that is, but $2 would get you a 76x. I don't know what market cap that is, but you could do the math. Just take the circulating supply and times it times 2. And see what market cap that gives you. Yeah, just another chart I'm going to have to update. I've been trying to do them every time. All these new updates I'm doing on the channel, I am updating them. Updating the charts and everything. What's up, T-Jaws? Yeah, I did kill T-Chin. Man. I'm telling you. I should not have bought it. Because where did I buy in? I ought to make a little mark on here. Yeah, I can already see where I bought in. I bought it on the last decent green candle. Like right here. That little dot, that's where I bought in. That's just shameful. Whenever these coins kick off, I have no idea when it's going to hit 50. If Ma goes to 0.05, he's out. Well to the moon. I forgot about Well. Yeah, Mog's on Coinbase now, ain't it? Hold on, let me look at Well real quick. What is Well doing? But if you're buying the dips on these coins right now, especially the meme coins that are getting listed on Robinhood, Uphold, Coinbase, and you're buying these dips, you could make out like a bandit here. Yeah, well to the moon. She's coming down. She's about to drop more. Still holding up inside of our pattern. So as long as you're above the 618, another 7-8% drop here. As long as you're above 5-6, you're good here. Still making higher lows, and then she's about to move up again, 54% to get you bullish over the next week or two, and then she'll come back down until it decides to spike out of here. Mog 0.05. Where's Mog at? Mog to 5 pennies. That's where it's going. Jeez. You're looking for some big gains. Top of the fib here is a 58 billion market cap to 301 for 67.5x on Mog. Swanky says, can you take a look at Cetus? Cetus. But yeah, what is it? Turbo, Bonk, Mog, Mudang. What's the other one that's on? They listed another one on Crypto.com. Just all these meme coins that are on the big exchange. I think GigaChad's on there. Pepe. All those I just named. I think they're all going to hit 20 billion market caps. Some are going to hit 50 billion market caps. That's what I need. I just need $1,000 on each of those coins I just mentioned. And then as they pop off one by one, whatever they do, roll that money over into something else that hasn't moved or I think it's going to move. That's my game plan. So this one here is going sideways. I guess we looked at it not too long ago. Nice move out of the little triangle pattern. Potentially forming a bull flag here, maybe. Nah, it's just going sideways. But consolidation after a nice move usually is bullish. But we'll keep it simple on Cetus. Momentum is down. So we'll see what happens with the market. But low to the high, you're above the 3.2, just below the 236. So as long as you're above 2, we'll say 30 cents, then you're still bullish. But it's going completely sideways here right now. But that's your price to hold. If it does decide to dip down below that and die a little bit, that's about a 10.5% drop. Then you'll drop about 25%. But the target we have on this one, we got to make a better chart, I guess, because 700 million market cap up to the new high at 117 would be about a 3.5x on this one. Cetus protocol. If it goes to $1.82, $1.83, maybe $2, you get about a 5x, 6x almost. But like I keep saying, it depends on where you buy this thing at. There's so many cryptos now, you gotta pretty much take that into consideration. People gotta know about it, it's gotta have a community, people gotta be able to buy it easily. DGen will turn around like most everything. Yeah, I hope so. I just need that first good gain, first good pump. Alright, Giga is okay. Yeah, Giga Chad. Yeah, all those coins I think are real good buys right now. Can you do Wave Fund? Looks AI agent's going to be next narrative. What's up, T13? What's up, Joe? Oh, that's VVA. You talking about the VVA coin? VVA IFU Dasha. Yeah, this thing's just going completely sideways. We'll keep it on the daily just so we can kind of see the macro. Automatic button can go to the shadow realm. I hate that button so much. Yeah, I mean this one doesn't look bad at all. Mini XRP chart. But you can clearly see the downtrend in play. So it looks like once you break up with a 0.5 at about 7.3, she's going to take off. You're below the 382 right now, but above the 236. So technically not bullish, but the bottom is in. But you can see what I'm getting at here. Very large triangle pattern. This thing's going to take off at some point. And it looks to be once you get over this 0.5, maybe you hit the 618 back test and then go. But it doesn't look bad. And it's getting, as you can see, closer and closer to the apex of this pattern here. So low to the high, below the 382. So you're not short-term or long-term bullish right now. So any lower than 5.1, then you're going to come back down to the 236. So there's a rare, good chance, especially off of those wicks there. You do this, and then you bounce back up, and, and then once we grind up here, then we'll go. You get the idea, but not in a bad setup overall. I have no idea where we said this thing's going to. This thing to $1. What is that? 5 pennies. 18.5x to $1. And a little over a 5x to the 1272 new high, which could potentially be, the measured move out of this thing, depending on where you want to put this at. I don't put too much weight into measured moves because they don't always play out. But yeah, you can see, depending on when you break out, around this area, 25-35 cents. So either a 5.5 or a 6.5x, 7x. But overall setup does not look bad. What's up with Polyswarm? Monkey in the house, loyal fan. What does that mean? Are you Monkey? On a different account, Master? PRQ is pumping, looking good. Did Polyswarm pump back up? She started to after that large candle of death. Yeah, she came right back up. I think we said that. She's about to pump right back up and get stuck again. That's exactly what she's doing. Maybe that's how you do it. Just keep trading Polyswarm. Every time it hits the trend, it comes right back down. Hits the trend, comes right back down. So unless you get over, as you can see, even with a 3-day candle, 2 days left on this candle. If this 3-day candle can close over 3.2, get back over the trend, then you're onto something. But there's a real good chance this thing's about to break back down. Everyone piling to the NCT short. She just hit resistance, double resistance. She's going to definitely drop 12.5% back to the 3.2, and then probably all the way to the 0.5. Erase this candle. Maybe not quite that far like it did last time. 27% drop to 2.3. So 2 targets to watch. I don't mean to be bearish on it, but it's probably what's going to happen. I'll watch from 2 devices, more views for you. I appreciate that, I guess. Yeah, everyone hit the like button. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm pretty sure you all are because you're all here all the time. Only 14 people here again. But I appreciate it. He said PRQ. But yeah, get ready on the NCT. She's about to go down. Well, I say that, but she could easily wick up like she did last time. But the fact that it's already getting stuck here, and it's already got a little wick forming, that's probably it. But you never know. It could spike up like it did. But there's really no evidence to support it. Yeah, PRQ's pushing. She's bullish. The momentum is up. Yeah, just be careful with this one. I say be careful because you did just make a higher high. So that's what you need to do here. You have to get up to the 0.5. But every time this thing spikes up and the momentum is at the top, it goes right back down. It looks like almost every time here on the monthly, weekly. Every time it has a spike up like it's doing now, it just dies. Yeah, did it here, pulled back, you're pumped up. Let's see, but she is moving or trying to move, but there is a wick forming, so yeah, you're through the 786, so 20 is your price to hold at the moment. Yeah, I would just say 20 down to 17. But it's either gonna blow through the high and hit the 0.5 at resistance and then come back. So you could get another 40% move to 3.3 and then pull back. And at that point, that would be good because you would back test the 382, you would make the higher high, and overall curling up and ready to go. Yeah, PRQ's not bad. New high on this one's going to get you a 40x, 2.5 billion market cap. Dash to $1. Is that what you mean? Let's see here. Yeah, I need to go through and fix the dashes and the Zcashes and the Ethereum Classics and the Bitcoin Cash. All these old coins I want to do an update on, but I need to fix all of their charts. Yeah, I don't know what you meant by $1. $31 votes. All right, we'll go back to Dash if you let me understand what you're talking about. Yeah, I need to make a spreadsheet or something, I guess, so I can remember these. Or just add them to my Coinbase wallet. Get a watch list going. Yeah, Giga Chad's not bad right now. Oh, not bad at all. Sitting on support at the 1618. It's got that very bullish setup. Yeah, these are the times to be buying these coins. It just made a double bottom higher low. It's sitting on support. So many things look so good right now. Maybe not on the smaller time frames, but on the larger time frames. How can you guys can't ignore this. Almost everything we're looking at has a bullish setup, or it's holding support at the bottom, holding the trend. Giga Chad, as long as you're over 55, is about to spike up to 7.8, 42%, and probably all the way up here to 10, 82%, and if not higher. Another one that's curled up here. Crow, Lumia, and CRV. No, we haven't done Whiff lately. Yeah, Whiff's another one. See, that's why I need to break these down. Whiff's on Coinbase, ain't it? Where do you buy this VBA coin at anyway? Just for the ticker name? I just pass it by. um, 25. Now, once this thing finally breaks out of this very large triangle, it looks like it's going to be the 0.5 as of right now. You know, unless this thing grinds its way all the way to the very apex of this thing, then it's going to be your 382 at the end of January. Right now it's 7.3. And no idea where it's going to go. Probably up to 35 cents. Right off the rip. Crow. We have two crow charts, of course. Yeah, I think crow's target is $2. I don't know if this is the right chart or not. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Crow is sitting right now on the double 382. So low, high, you're bullish. You got stuck right at the trend, like a lot of things are doing. Just can't seem to push through here. But double 382 support here. Any lower, I'll get to it in just a moment, but you'll drop about 17%. So any lower than 15, 17% drop is lurking here. Weekly candles, momentum has shifted down. Yeah, the momentum is down right now, so there's a good chance you're going to break support here. But it is double support, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, I wish I had a crystal ball to tell you guys what exactly is going to happen here, but if you break support, you're going to drop, which the momentum is down, but if you hold, you could potentially move right back up 40%. But you're not going anywhere until you break this trend and break back over the 0.5. With some momentum, and then Crow, as of now, Crow's potentially good for $2, 56.8, 57 billion market cap for a good 14x. If it's going to go that high, but I think $2 is fair. With I think WIF is on Coinbase, if I remember correctly. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, WIF is down here getting squeezed. You can clearly see that candle stuck below the 618, holding support at the 236. So price to beat is 192, price to hold is 180. But you're holding 180 at the moment. So macro bullish, and you're trying to hold the higher lows, the trend. So this could also tell us that we're there, it's about to bounce. I don't know why this green line is there, so we're going to move that. But yet another one. It's down here, and it looks like a good buying spot. A good buy the dip opportunity on WIF. Man, I'm going to have to make a new WIF chart. What are these based on? These got to be based on something. I don't like this one at all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to build a new WIF chart because I don't know what these are. These must be based on just nothing. Well, apparently this is a 10 billion market cap to 10. Oh, that's right. They have a billion supply. All right, so WIF, 20 billion market cap on WIF, probably higher than that. So that's a 10x if it goes to a 30 billion market cap. So you get the idea. But yeah, WIF's another good one. Getting listed on all the exchanges. These exchanges know exactly what they're doing. They know people are going to buy into these coins. People aren't going to sell. They're going to get left holding the bags. They're going to make all the money from the fees. It's exactly why they're listing them. CRV. Curve. Curve is still holding up. Strong move. Kind of looks like XRP and whatnot. We'll draw this here and see if it plays out. It's always better when there's a strong move up. Sometimes we're drawing these when there's not that strong of a move and they don't play it. It just depends. They do break down, so keep it simple. You're over the 382 at 73, 113 is your price to beat. You're potentially in a bull flag pattern here. And then once this thing starts to move, curve Dow. Yeah, you're over the 236 right now at about 8.5. And then curve, new high, 24 billion market cap, up to about 19 bucks would give you a 20x. She's definitely going to hit a 786 if she holds up here. You need Avagache. Alright, Alan, how's it going? Mudang on Sol has a max supply of 989.9 million. What's up, Dave? Thinking about adding more to ABT. What's up, Isaac? Win shipping pump? Never. Shipping. Alright, I'll go through these three real quick. Then I gotta get some coffee or something. Market's taking my energy. Sucking the life out of me. DJin is trying to drag me down into the shadow realm right now. Oh man, low to the high. Yeah, I'm still loving ABT where it is right now. Man, I just need $1,000 to put on ABT. A couple $100 or something. Let's see here. What am I doing? Getting confused. Starting to daydream. Yeah, I would say you're down below the 0.5 right now. So to hold the structure, the higher lows, you're coming up to the 618. So as long as you're below 149, it looks like you're going to drop another 6.5–7% here to about 135. It could wick down below that, so just watch that. But it's holding structure here. It's holding in the pattern. Has not broken out yet. There's a real good chance it's going to hit this 618 and bounce, and then we'll see what happens in the market. But I'm still thinking ABT. It's just me, but I'm very bullish on ABT where it is right now because we watched this pattern so long on everything, talking about Spell, ALGO, XCN, what was it, AVT, so many other coins we were just watching here, and I kept telling you guys we're bullish, we're about to break out, and then everything spiked up and then died. But at least we got the spike. But that's all I'm looking for. So from 135, if that's it, and you spike up, potential 117% move, so a 2x. And if we start flipping bullish and things start to pop off before this takes off, then this is going to go a lot higher than that. GHST. Yeah, we used to cover this one quite a bit, but no one, my voice is going out. No one watched the update, so I gave up on it. Yeah, here's another one, ABT. She pumped up, got stuck. She's back down on the support level, holding structure. Looks to me like the bottom is in on Ghost here for 98. I mean, that's all you can really do. No one can really. Yeah, you're sitting right on double. 618, low, high, 618. That's what you want to see for a bounce. You're holding the 236. You're holding market structure. This thing looks like it wants to go back up now. So as long as you're above 98, 22% move to 124, and potentially all the way back up here. Maybe she's going to run for a test. So 150, 50% move. And then maybe this thing's going to finally come up here and test the trend in the 618 and move up 81%. And let's see, that got moved. Never mind. All right, your 0.5 is going to be the 0.5 at 150 is the resistance. That's where you're getting stuck. So what do we say? So she may be getting ready for a little 50% run. As long as you hold the 9.8 and hold structure here. What was the 7.86? Let's see. Yeah, because if you go down to the 7.86, you're going to break this wrist, or you're going to risk breaking this low, and then you're just going to break structure and break down. When shipping. Oh, look at shipping. We got Tony for 10. I appreciate that. The first super chat on the live stream. I appreciate that, my man. We got 1 of 20. You guys are never going to know my name. Never. Can you do fibs for pro, Proppy? Yes, I can. Proppy. What is Proppy doing? Yeah, see, this is another one I said. This is what I meant earlier. Just a little move up, and then we drew the little pattern, and then it broke down. That's what happened a lot when you don't have a real strong move up. But we tried. So yet again, another one. You can clearly see if we zoom out. Broke the trend, got stuck right at it. She's coming down to the 0.5, so as long as you're below the 618, breakout is over. Below 145, your support to watch. Yeah, you're down below, high to the low 236, so this short-term bottom's not confirmed in anymore over 120 or under 122. So it looks to be you're coming down to the 0.5, which is not much more of a drop here. Yeah, I say that, but 9.5, 10% drop. So $1 is your big support to watch right now. And then we can maybe even take this or make a new one. Yeah, see if we go here to here. So you're coming up on the other trend. So this first trend was broken and back tested. Now you're hitting another trend right at the 0.5. So $1 should be it. I appreciate the 10, and we'll take it one little step further since you paid 10 on this thing. I appreciate it. Let's see, what am I doing? And then we'll take it a step further, going from this low to the high. Oh yeah, you got the 786 support there also. That's so nice to see, ain't it? When you draw these things and everything just comes up. Trend, 786, 0.5, all that support is coming up. So if you want to wait, or if you're trying to get in, $1 should be it. And then Proppy, where's our measurement? Way the heck over here for some reason. But yeah, Proppy's the RWA one, ain't it? Or is that something else? But this one, I may have to redo that because it has the word. Up to $11.5, $12 is going to give you a 10.5x on Proppy, new high. which it looks like, you know, you're making these very steep higher highs. It's going to hold $1. She's going to pump up and hit that next. Possibly. Once we get that nice move up in the market. Oh yeah, shipping. Does anyone know about shipping? I haven't even looked that one up, I don't think. Do people cover it? Yeah, see, shipping's bearish. She got stuck at the trend down below the 382, so there's nothing at all bullish on the chart. You're not bullish at all on shipping. She's going into the shadow realm right now. One-way ticket, lower high, stuck at the trend, below the 382. Nothing to be happy about right now. So until you get back over 009, let's see. Yeah, 382.5, you're below 2 levels. You're getting stuck right at that double support, or resistance rather. So hopefully you get a bounce off of the 618 here. So it looks to be you're going to drop another 14% to 0076 here, and even potentially down to the 786 and drop 32% to 005. But we'll see if the 618 comes into play and you get a bounce. So 76 is the price to hold, 92 is the price to beat. And then if you get over 92, eventually the 0.5 here at 1.5, a penny and a half, then you can start being happy for shipping. Break the trend and get over the 0.5, over the 382. But until then, no, nothing. Yeah, A8 went to the moon. What's up, Slava? Welcome back. Welcome in. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, T13. We already went over Dasha like, what, 3 times? The first breakout for Dasha would be 0.25/0.35 question mark, but final target would be 97. 8. Yeah, this is a gaming one, ain't it? I heard someone saying A8 and carrot in the same sentence. Someone said that. Yeah, she had that run up. I mean, we'll draw it. You can argue because it is making higher lows here. And then off of that one wick, you are coming down. So potentially in a bull flag, or not a bull flag, continuation triangle pattern here. As long as you're over the previous high at 32, let's see. Let me pull this up so you guys can see it. But you get the idea. And you're above the 236, above the previous high, so the price to beat is the 1272 at some point. And then if we get inside the triangle here, if I can get this to pull up without acting retarded, or acting stupid, I don't know if I can say that word. I'm trying to see where I can draw something. I guess we just draw it there. We'll keep it simple. 4-hour candles. Most recent low to the high. Come on. So you're below this 618. You're making higher lows here. So you could be coming down to 34. Let me see. Yeah, there's really no telling. I hate these 4-hour candles. So you could drop down. It's That's why I don't like zooming in too much. Overall, it looks good here. Continuation, it looks like it's ready to go again. Just like a lot of things we see. But if you bought in down here on A8, hopefully you made some money on this. But yeah, she does look like she's about to start going again if it holds up here. Spike out of about 38, potentially 75%. If this is a pennant pattern, you know, you could do the measured move and this thing's just going to go all the way up here. Next stop, 7x to 614 million market cap, and then potentially if this thing hits $1 billion market cap, that'll take you up to about 470, maybe you hit $5 and 1213x. Wow, we've been on for an hour already. Yeah, what am I missing here? Ethereum shows Elliott wave to 12k. Can you check it? We'll look at it, but I don't do Elliott waves. I haven't done those in forever. A year or two. I don't even remember how to do them. But yeah. We got Slava for 2. Appreciate that, my man. Ethereum, how high, please? Well, back in the day, I used to think Ethereum's going to 10k. Oh no, she broke below the 786. Why? Why'd she do that? You're holding the 382, so 31.87 seems to be the point to where you're bullish. The price to beat is 33.74. But how high is this thing going? Doesn't look bad at all. The whole chart ever since what, June of 2022. This thing's been curling up. It needs a bull run. It needs a bull run now. This thing needs to just shoot out of here. What is this locked? All right, let me draw a new one on here real quick. But I appreciate the 2. Come on. You can do it. Good enough. Did we make a higher high? Oh, that's what we pointed out last time. I forgot. Ethereum getting stuck at this level here, but making the higher lows. It's turning into a bonk, an alien base, a Caspa, an arrow, to where we watched this same pattern here. And then they took off. So we're not going anywhere till June. Summer of next year, it looks like. It was a nice try. We gotta sit in this sideways chop for the next 6 months. I still think 10k is where she's headed to. Maybe it goes to 14k. So maybe we get a 4x out of it to 14k. Yeah, I guess I need to relearn how to do the Elliott waves because I did not remember at all. At all. I say 10 to 14k. So 12k, you're probably right. It may hit in the middle and hit 12k. Oh yeah, PNG. He says, "Can you pull up DGen?" Why you want to make me sad for? I don't want to look at the DGen's chart. Every time I look at it, I die inside. Yeah, she's down below our red box of death, down below the 0.5. She broke a penny. So unless this turns into a wick here on DGen, which it's holding the higher highs and higher lows, it still looks macro good, but it's inching closer and closer to never going back up, but it still looks okay. But until we get over the red box, just don't even look at it anymore. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down to 008. Alright, let me draw this on DGen. So we're going to have a red box of death, and then we're going to have a green box of hope. So our green box of hope is going to be down here, anywhere from the 786 to the 382. So from 008 down to 0080. So it could still come down here, and we'd still be alive, but that's what we're bouncing in between right now. We have to hold that, and we have to break that. So as of right now, if this does not turn into a wick and we get back over a penny, we could drop another 17%. That's awesome. Mudang's going to probably a 50 billion market cap. No pullbacks, it's just going to go straight there. Mudang, where we at? Mudang's in a good spot too. Yeah, all these coins that are on Coinbase and all over the place. Nice dips, nice structure. She's already starting to move back up. Held the 786 here. So it did make a lower high here, but yeah, you're sitting right above the 382 again. 786 bounce and you're back above 273. So as long as you hold that, your bullish price to beat is 3.5 up to 3.9. Oh, we don't have a chart for this. Wherever a 50 billion market cap's going to take this thing, 20 to 50 billion market cap. Let me look real quick. I don't even know what the market cap is on Mudang. What am we looking for? I don't know what happened there. Okay. Yeah, did you guys see Safe Moon's up 100%? You guys remember Safe Moon? Now it's Safe Moon V2. I saw that today and I was like, what? I thought Safe Moon was just gone. We're sitting at 27. All right, 27 Mudangs, 270 million market cap. Oh, they pretty much have 1 billion coins in circulation too. All right, so that makes it simple. So if it goes to 20 bucks, it's a 20 billion market cap, 30 billion to $30. So $200x to $50. I would probably get out at $20, 20 billion market cap. I know it's not a fib here, but that would get you an 85x almost. That's ridiculous. Now I'll get out at 10 for a 40x for a 10 billion market cap. It's a little ridiculous. What am I missing? What's up, Muffin Man? Altcoin Daily named Fox as one of his top exchange coins for 2025 on X. Really? Altcoin Daily. Yeah, I saw he was following. I think I looked today. He's following. What is that new coin I did? Wow. That ERN coin, whatever the heck it's called. That chain coin. I looked at their Twitter and I think I saw him following them. Oh well, I knew it's going to be spring or summer for Ethereum. Yeah, but it'll go up. How's your day going? Mine's doing good, my man. A lot better than yesterday. I'm glad the holidays are over. Can't wait for New Year's to get over. Too many things to think about. Saul for 2 says rain by virtues. I know you can't do anything with it. What's up, Irina? Mantra. No one cares about Mantra. I bought 4 12-ounce T-bones and cheddar brats. That sounds nice. Haven't had a steak in forever. Rain by virtues. Rain. Let's see what kind of nonsense he's got us now. Rain. Oh no, is it on Deck Screener? I don't see it on here. Let me see if I can pull it up on Deck Screener real quick while you guys are there. Rain. On base. They're all on base, ain't they? Don't tell me you bought this one too. This thing's going to the moon. Man, I can't believe all those virtue coins are just going. Yeah, and it just made a slightly higher high, so this thing's overall bullish as can be. So base is the place to be, huh, right now. Because the Solana coins are dead. I think another one I'm thinking of is, what was that one coin? It was on crypto.com. Oh no, Sorty's trying to hold up here and fake me out. I don't have no Solana, but Sorty's trying to hold up again. Yeah, what is Fog doing? What was the other one? Toad? Fog? Because this thing's on crypto.com, but what would that be? Ethereum? Yeah, Fog's another good one. It's on a lot of different exchanges. I don't know if this is the right one or not. I think we have a chart for it over here. How many coins are on that virtuals? Oh, we don't have a chart for it. Let me look at it. Let's sell my degen, so degen will go up for you guys, and I'll buy flog. That way flog can go to 0. Flog on crypto.com. Not the best respecter, but it just hit the 618 bounce, and now she's dying. Yep, bounced and smacked right into the 382 at 30, and now it's coming back down. If it holds 24, it could be the bottom. I don't know. OM mantra. Yeah, I made a mantra update and nobody watched it. Was gonna get in, but it already 2x'd. You love steaks. To experience a restaurant ordered 24-ounce T-bone. My girlfriend was. She was big. Watt. Yeah, I think. Whoa, was Watt the other one that died? You bought her Victoria's Secret stuff. Oh man. Yeah, ESP Virtuals, AI Agents, next play. Go to Virtuals website after stream. I didn't even think about that. Oh yeah, I saw that one. What is Lumia? What? Yeah, there was something else besides Myro that was dying. I couldn't remember what it was. Oh no, Watt's got the bottom in. Oh yeah, Watt's about to go to the moon, huh? Depending on where you look at it it just hit the bottom, hit a slightly higher low. That's why we drew this here. This little trend. So 3-day candles, daily candles, whatever. This big double bottom, higher low. Just getting ready to run. So confirmed once you get over 7-8, bottom is in, bullish over 1-1, and then to the moon she goes. More likely than not going to hit this, and 22x, 23x. Just because of the overall chart looks extremely good. If that was the right one you're talking about. Lumia, I don't know what this is. But I guess we have a chart for it. Daily candle Lumia chart came up and pretty much got stuck at the 1414, 1272, and now it's just dying. You are below the 618, so next stop up, which it looks like it's trying to hold here. Let's see what it's holding. It's trying to hold something in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, not the biggest respecter, but you can see it's trying to hold the 618's 0.5 area. So this one's tough. I really can't tell you what it's doing right now. Say as long as you're above 126, there's a good chance that's where it's going to hold at. But you can clearly see it's holding up right here. So if we draw a line, what happened? Oh, it's there. Just can't see it. But you can clearly see where the resistance was, now support. So this could very well be it. On Lumia, you're over. So you need to get back over 137 and then 153. But right now, lower lows, lower highs. It's just kind of dying at the moment, so I don't know really what to say with it. One positive thing though. Whatever area you're hitting the trend, so this could very well be the bottom. So 136, 137 up to 153. If you can get back over that, break this, then if you go down to a way smaller time frame, you can see that this is starting to form. Potentially double bottom with a higher low, and then it's going to start moving up. So if it can break over 153, then I would say you're in good shape on this thing. And then if we move this up, I don't know where this one's going. $4 would give you a 3x. $10 would give you a 7.5x. Everything is pumping. Yeah, I saw I don't know if it's CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. There's always some rubbish pumping and trending. Just like we saw this last couple of weeks, Fartcoin was trending and it's just been going up. Like nothing can stop it. Oh yeah, Hund. It's up 150%. What is he saying over there? Let's get ready, boss. Let's get ready, boys. I can't read that. So when did this come out? In March? How come we never looked at this one before? You guys are dropping the ball. We never looked at Hund on Solana. Oh, she's curled up and she's going. Yeah, broke the downtrend and she's moving. Why is this one moving and nothing else moving? Once you break through the 618 at 2-1, she's going to start moving, possibly 3-3. Another 70% move. All right, what are we in? We've been on 80 minutes. We've got 18 people in here. What's up, CD? How you doing? She got you a smoker and a ton of gifts and gift cards. She spent a lot of money on you, huh? That must be nice. I mean, she loves you, my man. She wants you to cook her a lot of food. What's up, Jonathan? How's Texas doing? It's cold. We got some rainstorms last night, of course. Let's Yeah, we went over DGen like 20 times already, Jonathan. I appreciate you asking again. Oh, I'm trying to type your name in. DGen. DGen is DGen is just doing DGen right now. It's still macro bullish. We're on the daily. We gotta zoom out. We drew this just a while ago. As long as we're holding the higher highs and higher lows, we're still macro good, but we have to break through this red box from 1 up to, what is it, 1, 2. That's our red box of death we have to get through. And the support is down here. These are based on levels from the 382, I think, to the low high 786. So this green box has to hold. If we come down here and we break through this green support box of hope, then it's over. DGen's going into the shadow realm and taking all our money with it. And then we have to break through the box here. Until then, there's nothing to say on DGen. Yearn Finance. Yeah, let me pull that up and then I'm gonna go take a little break. I need to go find some coffee or something. My energy's starting to go away. Got me thinking about steaks now. I haven't had a steak in for ages, for a long time. I can't remember the last time I had a good steak. What'd you say, Yearn? Oh yeah, Yearn. Wi-Fi. Where's Wi-Fi going? You got 100K on it? Or 100K bet? $100K, he says. Yeah, Wi-Fi hasn't done anything in forever. It's at 8,500. My big question is, where's this thing going to? So is this correct? I remember doing this because I was looking at it because people were calling for 50K plus on Wi-Fi. But if Wi-Fi comes up here, from my understanding, from the math I did, someone check me on this. If it comes up to the 618 retracement here to 28K, that's going to give you a 950 billion market cap. Am I correct on that? How is that possible? Unless I need to double check that, I don't know. I may have to recheck that. Maybe I got my wires crossed somewhere. Because I wanted to do an update on it, but then I was like, there's no way it's going to hit that. So why even do an update on it if it's only going to do it 1 and 2x? Why even buy it? Let me see here. Yearn Finance. 286 million market cap. Oh, maybe I had something. I must have had something off. Yeah, that's 940 million. No wonder. What the heck's wrong with you guys? So I used to think back in the day this thing was going to hit 200K plus. I blame CoinMarketCap. All right, that's more like it. Why'd that turn yellow? Come on. All right, yeah. Wi-Fi, 16.5x, 7.5 billion market cap, up to 224. Anything for Caspa? Yeah, we looked at Caspa earlier. We only got 8 people in here, man. This is so bearish. Caspa just doesn't look good at the moment. Very well could be the bottom for Caspa. We went over this earlier. The fact that you're making lower, you made a lower high here, this low broke that low. I mean, you're just going sideways right now, so I don't think that matters. But you're below right now the 786 at 11.5, so 11.5 is your price to hold. Need this to turn into a wick and hold, and then it's probably going to go right back up, because we could be forming a double bottom with a higher low here, and then that's when we're going to finally come up here and make a new high. We said the same thing back here, but did not happen. So any lower than this, it's going to come back down to the bottom of the channel, and anywhere from 10 to 105, 10.5 here is going to be your price to hold, and that should be the bottom, because we hit the same, pretty much the same thing back here and here, and then we'll do it again. So if you want to count this as just trading in a channel, then that's probably where it's going to. Unless it holds the higher low here, so you could drop about 11% here still, and just simply come back to the bottom of the channel. Let's see here. We got 3 super chats. Did I cover them all? Okay, yeah. Wow, we've been on for an hour and a half. Got an hour and a half left, and the goal's over. 54 votes. That's nice to see. 61% say yes, they are ready. 40% are not ready for the new year. I'm just ready for it to be over, honestly. Alright, I'll be back in a moment. Let me go get a drink and check my phone and stuff, and then I'll be right back on. Everyone hit the like button. Appreciate everyone being here. We're not going anywhere quite yet, but taking a little break. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Trying to get my pages to load. Nothing's loading. What I miss? 23 likes. 23 likes, and we got 50 plus votes. Come on. 9 people still here. At least you guys are hanging around. If I can get this to load. LCX. Is LCX still holding up? I guess it just sucks because we look at these things on the larger time frames. So looking at this bull flag on LCX 3-day weekly, it's just taking weeks on end to play out. But yeah, this is what you want to see. LCX, a very strong move up. Pull back consolidation in a bull flag pattern. LCX looks like she's ready for another run. LCX, what am I doing? Come on. $27, yeah, 27 is the price. As long as we're with 27, we're bullish here. We're holding with wicks. But LCX doesn't look bad here. Where's LCX going? I always forget. Billion market cap's gonna get you a 5.5, almost a 6x, and then a 3.6 billion, 9x, 250. 17x, 4.5 billion market cap to 475 or so. May go higher. Man, this is still not loading. Let me close that out. Maybe that's the problem. Trying to get the chat to load, but it's just nothing happening. Come on. Let me refresh it one more time. All right, there we go. All right, would be around 1 billion, says a Tilk. Slava says, how much money do you need to reveal your name? I need 10 grand, my man. 10 grand and I'd be happy. Pay off all my bills, get some money in the market. But no, it's just a goal thing. It's just kind of for fun. The maximum timer on it is 3 hours, so I always put 3 hours. And if we get 20 super chats within 3 hours, then we'll get it. We have an hour and 18 minutes left. But it's not going to happen now because there's no one here. We're at most at 20 people sometimes. We're really hanging around like 10, 12 people at most times. So we get back in the days when we have 50, 60, 70, 80 people in here, then we'll probably get it. But come on. We're still in the same boat. There's nothing happening. What did oh yeah, mantra. Irina said mantra earlier. OM. Oh yeah, mantra's holding up real good. Yeah, mantra looks good. You're holding the 236, you're going sideways, possibly in a little bull flag pattern. Over 339. Mantra's another one that's about to get another spike up. And potentially As long as you're over 339, price to beat is the 786 where you're getting stuck here at about 453, 454, 25% move. And they could have a large run, 176% move to 10, 10 there. But the overall chart, this thing's been going up since what? Yeah, October. This thing's been in a bull market since October. And it's still bullish. Should have just known to buy Mantra. Pepe 2 doing anything? I do have Pepe 2 on my MetaMask wallet, I believe. But I think I bought it back here somewhere. I don't even know. But it's at like 5 cents. And I don't remember how much I put in on it. I think I put $150 on it somewhere here, and then it just went to zero. Wherever it was. I don't remember where it was. It was back October 2023. Maybe it was back in here. So it's pretty much been the... No, it can't be because it's nothing now. I must have bought the top on it. Forgot about people. People still holding up. Bro, 10K, you had guys who promised you a fortune, nothing. Yeah, I know. A lot of those people that said that they were making money and they were going to send me a good super chat disappeared. They're no longer here. It's understandable though. I told you guys in the past, I have a buddy of mine that last cycle he made over $1 million on Saitama. He's gone. Don't hear from him in life anymore. He's gone. He made his money and he's gone. But that's the way it is. You make your money and that's good. Hopefully all you guys make the money you need and you disappear and you're no longer in the streams. I'll know you guys made it if you're not here anymore after this bull run. But I don't know, no one talks about people. Made me think of Pitbull. And whatever happened to the Volt Inu? Remember these influencers used to be very bullish on Volt Inu. I don't know if Pitbull's ever going to run. I really don't know. They can't get on bigger exchanges besides like NextC, then they may not run. Opal, I forgot about Opal we were looking at. Alright, that reminds me, what did Myro do? Myro's still in the same boat doing nothing. Yeah, Polyswarm's already pulling back from when we looked at it earlier. Told you guys she was going down. Vara, what is Vara doing? Let's see here. Yeah, you know how I can tell we're bearish right now? No one cares. We don't have the trolls coming in here anymore. Shilling their coins that are going to the moon. Trying to get us to buy in so they can dump on us. Oh, Vara. Vara's still down below the 618. Did you guys all hit the like button? Because there's no one here. I don't know how to get the live stream to get pushed out. Oh, the live stream we did last night was just over an hour, but I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was the zombie Santa picture on the thumbnail, but for some reason it got demonetized. Can't remember what it said. It said something about either people reported it or the algorithm for the ads didn't like it, so I can still get subscriptions off of it, but ad revenue is gone from it. So I was just like, come on now. So I don't know if it was the thumbnail. There was nothing wrong with the stream. We didn't do anything on the stream, so I did appeal it, but still, it takes money out of my pocket just for nothing. The only thing I could think about it was the guy here last night saying the sound wasn't good on all the videos on the channel. Remember that? So someone comes in here and acts stupid and then flags it. Yeah, who knows? Who knows what happens? I mean, oh, we got Eldor for 5. I appreciate that. We now got 4 with an hour left. It was Christmas yesterday. Nobody would trade or watch you. Yeah. I mean, it's been like that for a couple of weeks now, but I understand it being the holidays. It's probably going to be that till after New Year's. I know it'll pick back up. It's just what it is right now. Yeah, I forgot about Drift. Drift Protocol. The biggest thing that happened recently was the turbo update I did a couple days ago. The turbo update has, I think, 2,500 views now. That's a lot for my channel. Turbo saved the last couple of weeks. Drift Protocol. Drift is holding up here. Chart looks very good on the macro. Holding right over the 1414 at 110 perfectly for the last 2 weeks. And potentially you can see the little channel bull flag pattern that has formed. A little pullback here. So 110 is the price to hold, 139.5, 140 is the price to beat here. But we can give some hopium here. Bull flag pattern, strong move up. Measured move on the bull flag. And if we draw a new fib here, she's probably going to the 3. Wait, why are we there and not on the... Well, we're just going to keep it there since it's respecting the levels. Let me see. Let me pull this up. Yeah, I don't know why we have that there. I guess because we're not using the first scam candle that's spawned in. Alright, let me pull this back. Oh yeah, the measured move takes us right to the 3, 691, $7. But I remember when Drift here was running, everyone everyone is asking for it, and the videos were doing very well. 5.5x out of here, potentially measured move play. But yeah, those are your prices to watch. Pretty much, it doesn't look bad at all. 72% move, baby spike out of here to 217. That reminds me of just saying drift. You guys remember Guzzler? Oh, that's not even on here. Guzzler. I remember when I did a Guzzler update and I actually played the game and made a video on it. You can probably go look that up on the channel. I don't even remember. That was so long ago. Playing a little NFT car game, Guzzler. Back when NFTs were huge. Let's see. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I guarantee if we go back and look at some of the old videos from years and years ago, before you guys were even here, I bet they're wrong and cringy and. Oh, wow. June of 2022. Guzzler, next potential gem, and it's nothing. Almost 3 years later. Wow. Back before we were the crypto undead. Hold on, I'm trying to get this to where we can look at it. Hey, how would you do that? Potentially this. Guzzler. Let's see if we can watch this for a minute. So 3 years ago. You can go here yourself through CoinMarketCap if you can't find it. Go read all the white papers, the audit, and just kind of look around the website, watch the trailer. But what it is, Guzzler, I think it's a good concept. It's NFT cars. They're customizable. The wheels, the car, the body kits, the performance parts. And you're able to take the parts on and off and remint the NFTs, customize the whole car, and you're able, wherever these your NFT car, sell your parts. We're talking stages, the gameplay, dude. But yeah, but it is the concept. So let's go play the game and see what it looks like. So gonna play the game here. Not sure if we're gonna be able to hear my voice because the music is very loud. There's no option to turn it off. There is an option, but let's see here. I might have turned it down. Maybe it didn't work. So old school. Glitching out already. There's Clifford Enu up there. Oh, I forgot about Clifford Enu. Good handling for being a beta version of a game. I said that right as I crashed, of course. But I am using the keyboard as the controls. And it actually doesn't tell me what the controls are. You can see over here on the right side. There's a headlight thing. There's ABS. That's your brakes. There's ESP, and then there's a question or
explanation point.
I wonder if you can still play this.
For like there's something wrong with your car. So I don't know if that means you can damage your NFT parts that you purchase and customize for these cars. But yeah, just for the fact that you can customize them and sell them and open them up. So I think people will grasp onto it. But just for the fact that this is sell them, I think it's really cool because you can't really do that kind of thing on PlayStation. It takes off. And then, it has the potential to be huge. So this is Guzzler. There's a little bit of gameplay here. A bunch of cool different cars to go.
Alright, that's enough of that. Jeez. That was so long ago. Forgot about that. Guzzler for the win. She's at 0. Now how do I get back? Alright, trying to get back to the chat. Alright, we got anyone still here? Is it time to end this? 2 hours in, 9 people. But yeah, I forgot all about that game. Back when NFTs were a thing. What's up, RH? He says bye. Welcome in and welcome out, I guess. Appreciate you being here. He said bye. Yeah, your virtual coin's still going to the moon here. A full said bye. Been here for a while. I appreciate you being here, my man. We'll be here tomorrow again. Convo is pumping on base. There's just no one here. That's why we just looked at an old video for some laughs. Man, I wonder what my first ever video looks like. Alright, good night. Good night, my man. Just want to hurry and get this year over with. What is Convo? Convo is pumping, he says. No such thing, because I spelled it wrong. This on Mexi. Yeah, whatever this is just came out and she's going to the moon. Oh yeah, I forgot about the doo-doo coin. Didn't we draw something on here? Oh yeah. See, this is what I want. Buy something that just comes out and it goes up, but every time I buy something that comes out, it just goes to 0. Goes back down into the shadow realm. It just dies. But we need to find something like Convo, whatever that is. Fart coin. It just goes up, hold support goes up, and just keeps going. Cosmos just put the bottom in, it looks like. Oh, they're all the AI agents. I don't know. You find these on the virtual website? Is that a virtual or is that just an AI agent? What is something we haven't looked at today? I guess it's getting about that time. There's no one here. We're just talking. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, Ethereum Classic. I need to make an update on. We did Drift, Dragon Chain, still holding up. Dogecoin. Yeah, you guys think Dogecoin's gonna pass $2? Dogecoin pulled back pretty hard. Yeah, I think it's gonna hit $2. $1.60 to $2. All on virtuals you can buy on Uniswap. Okay, I'll go check it out. I guess we're gonna wait. I ain't got nothing else to do. We'll wait 54 more minutes until the goal ends, I guess. We waited last night, or the night before. I think it was last night. We got like 13. We almost got it near the end, and it ended. Got 13 people in here. How's everyone doing? Everyone vote, hit the like button. I don't know, it's all going to help out the algorithm, hopefully. Spam the little heart buttons. Maybe when we finally pick up and the algorithm likes us, and now that we're over 10k subs, maybe we'll get some traction in this next year. You guys may be in here with me and we'll get, 100 people or more. Probably more than that when the bull run kicks off, so we're going to have all kinds of crazy people coming in here. Then it'll be ban time. We'll be banning people left and right. Putting them in timeout. So far, I've only put one person and banned them. I don't remember who that was, but... Oh yeah, they were in here telling us we don't know how to chart. And that I'm lying to everyone. What's up, Pluto? Hanging out in the shadows, huh? Or you just get here? Z-Beck. Yeah, I think a lot of things are going to start waking up. At least from what I see, a lot of things are putting in bottoms and formations and yeah, this one just made a lower low or a lower low from the higher lows. So not the best look, but does appear to be a bottom formation forming here. 001, bottom is in. You're just right there. 00309, and then it confirms this is the bottom. Bullish over the 23632. Short-term bullish, and the bottom is in over that level. This is another one we don't have a chart for, huh? Oh yeah, we do. She's gonna wake up and do it 8x to 009, 605 million market cap. Oh no, it came down. 10.5x. Not a bad looking chart though. This is what you want to see. Down and sideways, and then bull run's coming up. If it's on an exchange where people can buy it, then it's going to run it to some degree. Damn, I don't know if we can hold on for another 50 minutes. Only got 6 people in here. 59 votes and 20 likes. Damn, is it that bad of a stream? Okay, yeah, I guess we're gonna end it here. There's no point in waiting 50 minutes for nothing. Over 2 hours in. I appreciate you guys being here. We covered a lot yet again. And yeah, I guess we'll leave it at that. I appreciate you guys being here. We'll be back on tomorrow. Watch out for the updates on the channel. And we will leave it at that for now. So as we end this, what is Bitcoin at? Still dying, still at 95K. So the market's not doing anything. We're not going anywhere. We're not doing anything. Dominance is still holding up. Not going anywhere because we're still holding in the pattern. So until that changes, which I would imagine at some point Bitcoin's going to start pumping again. Dominance will go up again. So we're probably not going up till spring or sometime next year. You can also buy coins directly on Coinbase wallet, but fees are annoying. Oh yeah, I know that. That's the thing that I have no money to put in on any of my wallets right now. I have no Ethereum fee gas money. Until my degen pumps, I'm just sitting here like the market. I'm just dead in the water. What is in 50 minutes? The goal at the top. If you see the chat, you see the goal. 20 super chats in 3 hours to get the name reveal. My name, my real name that people ask for all the time. Wow, one guy put in 8K, forgot about it, and made 2.9 million. Jeez. That must be nice waking up to that. Forgot you put money in something and you're just a millionaire overnight. Must be nice. Alright, well, you guys have the good rest of your night, day, wherever you're at. I appreciate you guys being in here. We'll be back at this again tomorrow, of course. And one of these days I'm going to start doing earlier streams in the morning. See what we get. Maybe on the weekend when people are off and see what happens. But we'll leave it at that. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, everyone. Appreciate you.